Good afternoon, and let's have a look at what the markets are up to this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers and trade as well. So starting with the markets, talking about the benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty both seem to be trading in the red, though they are off the day's low, but still continuing to be trading in the red. Sensex is down more than 150 points, trading around the 52,400 levels, while the Nifty is trading somewhere around the 15,700 levels as well. Now, when you look at the broader markets, actually are underperforming the benchmark indices. Both the Nifty mid cap and the small cap are down more than 0.5% in trade as well. Moving forward, let's look at the individual sectors that have been doing well or tanking in trade as well today. So among the top laggards, we do have PSU banks as well as realty and auto, which has been performing quite weak, and these are the stocks which have been actually among the top laggards in trade as well. We do have Nifty metal and FMCG which are trading on the positive side. Other than that, most of the sectors are trading in the red. Now let's look at the individual stock movers in trade. So let's start with Aarti Drugs. The stock is up as much as Aarti Drugs stock has dropped as much as 5% in trade after a lower quarterly profit reported by the company. The company's profits have actually slumped by 42.9% on a year-on-year basis. Also, this is mainly dragged by the higher raw material costs, which is impacting the overall performance of the company as well. Moving forward, we also have Innterglobe Aviation, which reported its numbers. The stock is down 2% after the losses of the company on a year-on-year basis have further widened, and the net loss for this period was at 3,174 crores versus 2,844 crores on a year-on-year basis. Obviously, there's a rise in fuel cost, fuel has surged nearly 10 times, so all this is obviously impacting the profits of the company, the bottom line of the company, and that is why we're seeing the losses of the company have widened. Moving forward, Karnataka Bank also in focus, down as much as 2% in trade today after a weak set of results are reported by the company. The lender's profit has actually plunged by 46% on a year-on-year basis, as well as the total income has also declined by 17.6%. So surely a weak set of numbers coming in from Karnataka Bank. Granules, on the other hand, has actually climbed 1.5% to 2% in trade after a firm set of numbers given by the company in Q1. The consolidated profits for the company are up by 8%, while the revenues have risen by 15.5% on a year-on-year basis. Indices Bank also rising in trade after an upbeat set of numbers reported by the company in Q1, and we're seeing the stock is up as much as 1% in trade as well. Other than that, we do have Godavari Power also, which is up 5%. That's it's locked in upper circuit after a solid set of numbers is reported by the company. The profits of the company have jumped multifold over year, and revenues have surged by 66.8% as well. So strong performance coming in by Godavari Power. Other than that, market seems to be trading in the red today this afternoon. So markets trading in the red, and let's see how we actually see the markets ending today at 3:30 p.m.